Okay, now we're going to find the horizontal asymptote, y'all. And on this one here, notice I have my expanded and my factored forms. We're still going to be using the expanded, but this time we're going to be using the far left side. The far left. So I'm going to box this in over here. And the horizontal is always the coefficients that are in front of this. Now this one doesn't have it, but what numbers would be there? 1 and 1. So what's 1 divided by 1? 1. So your answer is y equals 1. That will be the horizontal asymptote. And y'all, we use the expanded form to find the y answers. The y-intercept and the horizontal, which are y equals. Use the expanded, those are the left and right. So number 2, I'm still going to box in the left, and I wrote my expanded form again with a nice little 0 here. That way I don't have to think about it. Did that first. So I have 0 over 1. Now 0 over 1, is that 0 or none? 0. It is 0. It is 0. Okay. Now y'all, I'm going to give you a nice hint. If I have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0, I'm probably not going to have a x-intercept because that's where the what? Asymptote is. And notice, there's no x here, so I'm kind of foreshadowing a little bit to something there too. Okay, 3. Notice that would be a 1 in front of a 1, which means my answer will be what? Y equals what? 1. So that's a coefficient of 1 divided by 1. That's why I like this here. It makes it really nice to do this, right? Number 4 is a bit tricky. Remember, I don't have an x cubed here, so I added my 0x cubed, and now it makes it easier. Can I divide by 0?
No.
No. So this one's answer is going to be none. There's not a horizontal asymptote, okay? There's not a horizontal one, all right? The answer is none because you can't divide by 0. All right, you cannot divide by 0. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is this. Wait, yes? Okay.
Why would it be 0?
Oh, because you have 1 divided by 0. This is 1 divided by 0. All right. Did it work? Yeah, I think it did. That's 1 divided by 0, right? 1 divided by 0. Can you divide by 0?
What's the difference between?
Okay, this answer is this is not possible. If you type this in your calculator, you're going to get error because this is like saying you have one part and how many times of, I don't really have a number I'm dividing it by. There's not a way to do it. However, if you have no money and say you're going to divide it by 2 people, I'm just going to pick 2 so you understand. If you have no money, you're going to split it between you and I. There's still what? We still have what? No what? No money. So 0 divided by 2 is still 0. If I have nothing and divide it by 2, you still have what? Nothing. But if you have something, you can't divide it by 0. Because how many parts are you dividing it into? Well, I don't know.
Like on your box right there.
Yes.
How is that 1 and how is that?
Well, that's 1x cubed on top. We just don't write the 1. Remember, if there's not a number in front of it, there's a 1. So now I have 1 over 0. So I have 1 over 0. That's why. That's why this one will be. This one will be none. Okay. There's unique times when that happens. Okay. Oh, I forgot to do this here. If I don't do this here, it doesn't like pick up. There we go. Okay. All right. The next one. Notice here I got 0 on top.
0.
So it's 0. 0's on top, so it's 0. Right? And then on 6, I have a 0 on top again. Remember I added the zeros there? So it's what? 0. And then, you notice a lot of your answers are 0, 1. We had 1 with none. And this one's different because what's different about this one? You have actually 2 over what? 1. Which makes the answer what? Y equals 2. That's how you find the horizontal asymptote. Find the horizontal asymptote that way right there.